Today, we are going to dive into how a simple AI tool is helping 180,000 small scale farmers in Malawi not just survive but thrive. Yield increases, climate challenges, low literacy, lack of internet, all being tackled in part by what many might think is just a phone app. In this video, we will answer questions like: what exactly is this AI chatbot and how does it work? Who is using it and what were their problems before? How much of a difference has it made? Are yields really improving? How does it handle local challenges like language literacy and lack of smartphones? What challenges remain and can this scale up sustainably? What might this mean for the future of agriculture in Malawi and beyond? What is this AI chatbot and how does it work? This AI chatbot is called Ulangizi, which means advisor in Chichewa. It is developed by the non-profit Opportunity International, and it's built to give climate adaptive farming advice tailored for smallholder farmers in Malawi. The chatbot operates via WhatsApp and works in both Chichewa and English. Farmers can type, send voice messages or even images and receive responses in text or audio. The underlying system uses data from the Malawi Ministry of Agriculture's guidelines, local weather and soil info, and feeds from the farmers themselves. So it's a mixture of AI plus human curated authoritative content. Who was using it and what were the farmers' problems before this tool arrived? Many of the users are small scale, often subsistence farmers, who have faced severe challenges. For example, take Alex Maere, a farmer in southern Malawi whose land was devastated by the Cyclone Freddy in 2023. Erosion, loss of fertile soil, floods wiping out his land. Before Ulangizi, farmers had to rely on infrequent visits from agricultural extension officers or use general advice not tailored to their precise location conditions. Low literacy, lack of smartphones, patchy internet, and diverse languages meant many could not access or understand even what little advice there was. If you are learning about the tech plus social impact, hit like and subscribe now so you don't miss stories like this. What difference has Ulangizi made? Are yields really improving? Yes, there is evidence of real impact. The chatbot has helped about 180,000 rural households. Farmers using it have seen up to 20,000 increase in crop yields under climate challenged conditions. For Alex Maere in particular, after Cyclone Freddy destroyed most of his, Ulangizi recommended him to diversify by planting potatoes alongside corn and cassava, which suited his changed soil. He followed that advice, cultivated potatoes on part of his land, and made enough money to pay his children's school fees and stabilize his income. These were massive hurdles, but Ulangizi was designed with them in mind. First, it works in Chichewa and in English. Second, it allows voice messages and audio responses, which helps farmers who can't read or write. Farmers can also send images of diseased plants. That flexibility means people who might be excluded because of literacy or tech limitations are included. For those without phones or in place with no internet, there are farmer support agents, human in the loop, who carry smartphones, help send questions, bring responses back, help interpret them. These agents also help groups of farmers gather and use the information collectively. What challenges remain, and can Ulangizi scale up sustainability? There are still serious challenges. Poor connectivity in remote areas causes delays. Sometimes responses take too long to load. Some farmers still don't have access to even basic phones. There is also the risk of mistaken guidance if the AI misidentifies a disease or suggests a method that doesn't suit particular soil or climate conditions. Consequences can be harsh. Trust is fragile. One bad recommendation could set things back. Additionally, scaling means more infrastructure, more reliable internet, more devices, more agents, more training, maintaining language, localization, aligning with government agricultural policy. Funding and coordination with government is also essential. The Malawian government is backing the project, trying to integrate it with its own extension services, which improves legitimacy and possibilities of scale. What might this mean for the future of agriculture, both in Malawi and elsewhere? If Ulangizi's model continues working and scales, it could be a blueprint for many countries with similar conditions. Climate vulnerable smallholder farmers, poor infrastructure, low literacy, etc. It shows that AI doesn't have to be futuristic or distant. It can work in local languages via simple tools, in partnership with people on the ground, and actually make crop more resilient, incomes more stable, lives better. Also, it could drive more investment into agricultural AI tools that are responsibly designed with human oversight. But it also raises questions about data privacy, about avoiding dependency, about ensuring equity so that the poorest aren't left farther behind. If you find this video inspiring or useful, please hit like and subscribe. I am bringing more stories where technology and humanity combine to solve big problems. Share this video so more people can know what's possible. What do you think would be the biggest obstacle if you were trying to implement something similar in your region? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, share it, hit the bell icon so you are notified of the next one, and see you again soon. You can check out the videos that are on the screen if you have liked this one.